Hello guys, so let's start our introduction to C++ language. The C++ language was developed at AT&T Bell Laboratories in the early 1980s by Bjarne Stroustrup. C++ provides following tokens. So tokens are the smallest individual unit in a program. The tokens of C++ are keywords, identifiers, literals, punctuators, and operators. A keyword is a word carrying special meaning and purpose. Identifiers are the user-defined names for different parts of the program. In C++, an identifier may contain letters, that is from small a to z or capital A to z, digits, that is from 0 to 9, and a symbol underscore. However, an identifier must begin with the letter or underscore. Literals are data items that never change their value during a program run. C++ allows following literals. The first is integer constant, that is decimal, octal, or hexadecimal. Second is character constant, then is floating constant, and the last is string literal. Generally, a program in C++ includes a header file IOStream for standard stream input or output facilities. The declarations of cin, that is standard stream input, or cout, that is standard stream output, are defined in IOStream. If IOStream is not included in a program, then every reference to cin or cout will produce an error. A stream is a sequence of bytes, and at lowest levels, files are interrupted as stream of bytes. Every C++ program must contain a function named main. The program execution begins at function main. Every executable statement in C++ must be terminated by a semicolon. Every main function having a return type int must end with a statement return 0. The multiple use of input or output operators in a statement is called cascading of input or output operators. So in the next video, we'll have a first look at our C++ program. Till then, do like and subscribe my channel and share my videos as much as possible. Thanks for watching.